Hi, everybody. I'm WFA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. 86 degrees right now. Calm conditions at Dallas Baptist University. Same thing in downtown Dallas, where it's 83 degrees. South-southwest winds at 3. It was a hot day today. We hit 96. The morning low was 73. The normals are well below that. 88 and 68 are the normals. The record high today, we were 3 away from that. The record's 99, set back in 1997. The morning low, record morning low, 44, all the way back in 1903. Outside right now, it's 86. We have a south wind at 6 miles an hour. Pollen today, ragweed and chenopod's are still high. Elm is moderate, and fungus today, that's on the low side of the scale. Right now, other than a few clouds scattered across the area, the little bit of rain that popped up earlier in the day, I'll step out of the way here, that has gone away. I mean, all of North Texas, even East Texas right now, dry conditions do prevail across the area. So other than a few clouds, which will go away as we head through tonight, it's a mostly clear, a very calm night. Here's 10 o'clock. And you can see, other than a passing cloud and maybe a little spotty rain in East Texas, the rest of all of North Texas is going to be calm and clear, mostly clear as we head through tonight. Low temperatures tonight, quite a range across the area. 69 in Clarksville, 71 in Paris, 75 in Bonham, then 72 in Sherman and Gainesville, 71 in Bowie, 73 in Wichita Falls, also in Archer City. Lows tonight in the Metroplex, mid to low 70s. A warm spot in McKinney, 75, Dallas 73, 72 in Denton, also in Fort Worth. I have a 73 in Decatur, and all these 71s here to the west and southwest of Fort Worth. Graham, Mineral Wells, Granbury, all the way out in Abilene, out in the big country, Coleman, Eastland, Stephenville, Brownwood, Hamilton, kind of funny. Meridian's at 71, then 74 in Corsicana, 72 in Hillsboro for the low tonight. Now here's tomorrow. We start off clear and calm. Watch this. And then as we get into the afternoon, we start to warm up. A few thunderstorms pop up, about 10% coverage, similar to what we had today. 3 p.m. tomorrow. Some thunderstorms bubble up, and then as the sun starts to dip toward the horizon, we lose the heat into the day. These thunderstorms will fizzle out. And most of it's not even thunderstorms. There will be a little lightning. There could be some brief heavy rain, but most of it's just a little spotty rain, some isolated rain that does pop up tomorrow. Otherwise, another very warm day. The normal high tomorrow is 88. The record's 100. We'll be in the 90s tomorrow. Dallas hits, but I don't see us hitting a record. 95 in Dallas, the same thing in Denton, also in McKinney. 94 in Fort Worth, 93 in Decatur. Up along the Red River, where a frontal boundary will be in position, that will allow temps to be in the mid 80s in those locations. Paris, Bonham, Sherman, Gainesville, Bowie, anywhere from 82 to 85 degrees. And then off to the east, Canton and Athens, 87 and 88. 93 in Granbury, 92 in Mineral Wells, and then some 80s out here in Breckenridge and also in Graham, upper 80s for high temperatures. From a rainfall standpoint, tomorrow's pretty similar to today, about 10% coverage, so the majority of us will be dry. The majority of us are dry on Friday, but the rain coverage on Friday is at its highest, and Friday's rain coverage is 30%. Then Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we drop off to 10% rain coverage as we head through that time frame. From a temperature standpoint, we are above normal through Monday of next week, and we stay in the 90s for the rest of this week. And then finally, next week on Monday, even though we drop to 89 degrees into the upper 80s, we'll still be 2 degrees above normal. Sunday's 4 above normal. Saturday's 5 degrees above normal. Friday is 2 above normal. And tomorrow, Thursday, 6 above normal. The normal highs range anywhere from 87 to 88 over the next 5 days. The forecast for tonight, mostly clear, dry, warm, light winds tonight, 73's a low. I say warm because the normal low is in the 60s and will be in the 70s to low 70s. It's really going to be a nice night tonight. And then tomorrow's a mostly sunny morning, a partly sunny afternoon. Some spotty rain is a possibility, as I detailed the timing with that. A warm day, we hit 94 tomorrow. The next 14 days, you could see the rain coverage is there through Tuesday of next week, but it's not widespread by any stretch of the imagination. The majority of us will be dry as we head through that time frame. Again, we're looking at 10 to 30% coverage, so that means about 70 to 90% of us won't see rain on any given day out of those 6 days. So that's the first 7 of the 14. And you can see on Monday we're in the 80s, Tuesday even cooler, 82. We stay in the 80s on Wednesday, 84. And then the final 7 of the 14 days, I keep us in the 80s that entire period, which takes us right into and through Wednesday, October 1st. So there we are, 90s this week, 80s next week with a little bit of rain even for this upcoming weekend, but it certainly won't be widespread, and as of right now, I do not expect any severe weather. Enjoy your night. Keep it right here on WFAA Plus for the latest.